Europe is cracking down on cyber currencies such as Bitcoin in an effort to curb terrorism funding. Jerry Brito is the executive director of Coin Center. It is a nonprofit virtual currency research center. Jerry, do these kinds of currencies allow for terrorists to transfer money more easily?
So I think there's definitely a risk that terrorists can use digital currencies to move funds, but as the director of FinCEN, which is the Treasury Department's agency that looks at money laundering and terrorist financing, said last week, or actually just earlier this week, it is not a greater threat or a greater risk than existing ways to move money, like bank wires or other things.
So it seems as if at least some of the items that were purchased for the Paris attack were done via prepaid or in cash. Is that your point?
That's right. There are any number of ways that terrorists and criminals use to move money. And as you have new and unique ways of moving money, as you have more innovation, what criminals and terrorists do is that they try to find the most unguarded. And so the best thing to do is to add controls that allow the authorities to monitor those new ways to send money.
Jerry, following the money trail, what is the most important thing for banks, for financial institutions? How can they set up departments? Are they willing to set up departments that show red flags when they need to pop up?
Absolutely. I mean, for example, in the United States, we have something called the Bank Secrecy Act, and it requires financial institutions, including companies that operate in the digital currency space, to have procedures in place to identify their customers and to report to the government any suspicious activities. And these companies are certainly willing and, in fact, do comply with these rules. What we need to make sure is that these rules make sense, fit the technology and fit the innovation that is happening so that it can be complied with.
All right, Jerry, we're going to talk to you again soon because this is a big piece of the puzzle. Jerry Brito joining us there.